Tell them what's going on.
Okay, our remote control helicopter got stuck in a tree. They got it on the roof this morning. We got it off, and then we got it stuck in a tree.
Oh,
okay,
we're matching.
We're matching today. The necklaces and shirts. So, yeah.
I don't think it'll fly. This has come so long to use a hanger. It could work.
Fly up there. That's it. And peck it out with his little pecker.
Dad, quick! Dad, quick, start rubbing your belly and get the genie out and wish for the helicopter to come down.
I don't know, this is more fun.
I know. Oh,
yeah.
Come on, get this up close, child.
Oh, that's actually even worse than me throwing it by hand.
Well, you caught the clothesline.
Good job!
You caught the clothesline.
That's what we wanted.
This isn't gonna work.
No, it's not. It's a ridiculous idea. It's a ridiculous idea.
I meant just the hanger, not on the twine. You're going to really try and get it over there by standing directly under it?
Okay, come.
Just let it go and grab it at the end.
Let it go, let it go, let it go.
go.
Oh, we don't want you in this. Go away.
That song from Frozen, Let It Go.
Go, go, go.
When I let go, it went right up.
Oh my
No,
god.
it has to go in the tree.
Mistakes were made.
Mistakes were made, yeah.
We told them not to get stuck on the roof or in a tree. They did
you
both
jinxed-
those things this morning.
And they jinxed both of them.
They did both of them today.
I always get it too far forward.
Well, you were close.
Hey, at least we know what it'll do if we get it up there.
Now you got the hanger stuck in the tree.
Well, it works.
Yeah, at least it works.
If we can get it up there, that'll work great. It'll work great.
But you're never going to get it up
Now,
there.
how do we get it up there? That's the question. Once we figure that out, I think, again, though, we're going to have to stay further back. You're never going to get it standing right up there.
I don't want a hanger on my nose.
Get it by throwing it.
Gosh.
Yeah, I know. Getting it the opposite direction.
This is ridiculous, but at least you know it works.
It's fun. This is funny. Keep going.
This is fun.
And the thing is, you can just throw it and let it go. There's more than enough twine there to keep it going.
Let it go, let it go, let it go.
Don't have to
Stop
worry about
dancing.
rock candy. I know it's high, but
At least it works.
Pull your pants up, dude. Pull your pants up.
did it get hung on you? I just didn't when I threw it. I didn't like that right time.
You never do.
Like I said, at least this works. I'm gonna get high enough.
Well, you got some leaves out of it.
Does Justin have like a 10-foot ladder?
Oh, it's higher than that, kid.
Okay, a 5 billion foot ladder. Is that a type of ladder?
I don't think they have a 14,000 feet ladder.
Will not wreck the life of another chopper pilot.
Beautiful!
Beautiful, boy.
That was amazing!
Wait.
I think that's about the right height, though.
Yeah.
That's close.
That was amazing, dude.
You're good at it.
Brilliant!
Fantastic.
Now you got the hanger
But it's
stuck
about
in
the
the
right
tree.
height.
Now you got the hanger stuck in the tree.
I'm afraid this plant won't snap on me.
Come on, pull, boys. Look at man.
You caught a tree, man!
And you got the hanger stuck in the
Sandals,
tree.
though. Well, maybe they need to get hit in the head once to realize to stand back.
Well, we're fine. Shut your yips.
Except Dad said move, so move.
How did you do that?
On my shoe that I just said stop.
It's
You did amazing.
I think it's hung over and under a couple, like.
Oh, you got it.
Okay, you found out. You can throw it better if you just throw it backwards. Now get your full rotation.
Get it all revved up and throw it behind you.
Yeah.
Those were his 2 highest throws.
Gotta go.
Oh,
Oh.
my pants. You need to hold, like, toss the.
Dang it!
I think while he throws it, someone needs to hold on to his pants.
Dylan, keep your pants up.
Hey, hold on.
Waterloo, shame on you. Get the pants on.
What? Dad, just start tying your kangaroo down. Sport. Asher loves that song.
You people, I'm not sure what that dance you were doing or whatever you were doing, but I was terrified.
Well, you got that twine all balled up on there now.
Good job.
He's good with things.
You're great. You're doing great.
You accomplish nothing by doing that.
He's doing a great job.
Yeah, real great. Awesome. Perfect.
Great. Try not to get it caught on your pants.
Yeah, that would be good.
Close. You stand a little further that way.
Stand closer to the tree, bro.
They're gonna do this if it kills them.
They're gonna keep doing this if they have to do it all night.
Hey, we're trying. Just stand on the ladder.
You keep failing.
That's not smart. Or sit on.
We're not smart. Cassie, we're throwing a hanger grappling hook into a tree. You think smart is a first one?
Dandy hide when I'm dead, Fred. Dandy hide when I'm dead.
Real hard.
Dandy hide when he died. Hide.
And that's him hanging on the shed.
That's him hung on the shed.
Hanging.
I need to be almost right under him. About another 5 feet.
There's 5 rungs on the ladder.
Maybe he's better at throwing it
I think
backwards.
he's gonna get close, but I doubt he can actually get it up there. Get a step stool.
This is ridiculous.
I'll hold the ladder. Hey, right now. That's the difference between enough height and not enough height. So.
If Mom was out here, she would so not approve this.
Dad's out here and he approves of it. He's not stopping them.
I don't think that ladder will reach.
Thanks, Paw.
Pa. Thanks, Pa.
Don't throw the ladder in the tree.
It's a good tip. That's a very good tip right there.
Don't hook the ladder to the rope.
Do it the way he thinks it'll work, which it won't.
Tell me hide when I'm dead, Fred.
Are you done? You done over there?
Tell me hide when I'm dead.
I guess that's a no.
You ain't got the ladder latch down, boys. You ain't got the ladder latch down. Push the little bar down. There you go.
Stop bursting out into song. They're pathetic. You pathetic
Ladder,
people.
hang yourself on the clothesline. That won't be good.
It's not gonna work.
You still missed.
You missed it by further this time than you had been on the ground.
Hush, old man, I know that.
Yeah, old dad. Prehistoric old fart.
Hold the camera still so Lynette can actually see this.
Okay, Mom, Dylan threw the thing and he got it stuck in that tree instead of throwing it in that tree.
We want our helicopter back.
Okay, we'll be fine. We're gonna be out here trying to get this possessed helicopter out of the tree.
Joshua, what time is it? Are y'all about to leave, Mama?
12:40. Not even close.
Whether or not they get that time. Wait.
You people are awful.